may I just clarify what my friend is
No, what
submitting?
we'll do is this, if you are you available tomorrow?
Uh, Your Honor, if in the morning, Your Honor, if it is-
Morning, Wednesdays are DB days here.
Yes.
How many matters in the DB tomorrow? Any idea? We cannot say in the morning, but
Or my lord, can fix a date, my lord, then through online I'll appear. Only I submit one, my lord, citation of the Honorable Supreme Court.
okay, we'll take up the matter on merits when the affidavit is here.
Yes.
The other respondents, are you filing your affidavits or you are not required to?
Your Lordship, I will be representing the respondent number 3, which is the Axis Bank. And Your Lordship, I have to file my power. I did not file my power yet.
What about 4? Anybody represents?
I'm for respondent number 2, Minister of Finance. We are not the main
No,
respondent.
you are not you may not be the main party, but you will tell us what is the law. You will tell us whether what he is doing is correctly being done or not. That much you have to come up with. And you are
Yes,
appearing
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 4, SBI. And I was supposed only on yesterday, and I have not sufficient opportunity to go through the petition. Yes.
Milord, my only submission is this is a matter of my livelihood. At
Yes.
the end of the day, because of the freezing of accounts, I am not able to sustain myself.
See, your accounts were freezed on the 8th of June.
That's correct.
You
Milord.
come to the court on 23rd of July. Yes?
Yes, Milord.
Today the matter is listed after around 2 weeks from 23rd of July. Yes?
Your Lordships are
So
absolutely
one
correct.
more week would not...
Absolutely, Milord. Absolutely. No qualms as to that.
So we'll keep it for, we'll keep it on, today is what? 11th. We'll keep it on the 18th. Let the record come, the affidavit in opposition be tagged with the record, and you also file your responses if you want to file any. Madam, you have your law on your hands, you tell us whether the ED is doing it correctly or not. Enforcement Directorate,
Yes.
whether they are doing it correctly or not. Okay. Heard Mr. Paliwal and counsel appearing for the petitioner through remote VC. Full stop. Mr. K. Bushra, learned counsel, appears for the
Special PP, my lord.
learned special PP for the enforcement directorate has submitted that the response to the writ petition has been filed today morning. Full stop. The same is, however, not on record. The learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 3 and 4 have submitted that they will be filing their power to appear within Friday.
Within Friday, yes.
Full stop. The learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 2, Ms. So-and-so, has submitted that they would not be filing any response but would assist in the adjudication of the matter. Full stop. List this matter again on the 18th of August 2026 for further consideration. Registry to trace out the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 1 and place the same on record. Full stop. The other respondents, comma, if they desire to file their response, comma, would do so on or before the 14th of August 2026.
My lord, if my lord allow me, my lord, I would like to submit one, my lord, authority by this.
Mr.
That may be kept as a...
Bushra, the learned special PP, has placed a reliance on the judgment of the apex court rendered in
my lord, there is Raj Kumar Sivare versus Assistant Directorate of Enforcement and another.
reported in 2010 4 SCC 772. Full stop. Yes. 18th.
My lord. Deeply appraised.
Item number 2.
Yes, sir. Respondents were asking for some time. Respondent number what?
Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 5 on behalf of SK Medhi.
Okay. What about the others?
Your Lordship, we will be appearing for respondent number 4, DC Aizol.
DC Aizol.
Yes, Engineer Lordship Puya.
Have you filed your affidavit?
No, Your Lordship, we will be filing our wakalatnama today. We haven't filed our power yet.
What about the respondent number 1?
Your Worship, one service is awaited. Service report is awaited, Your Worship. Steps were already taken.
What
On
is the order about?
Your Worship, this is a case where the lands belonging to the petitioners have been encroached upon by the railway authorities for construction of the new railway line, and without payment of compensation to the petitioners herein. The petitioners has approached this honorable court, and if I take Your Lordship to para 19 of the judgment of the honorable court at page 21. If I may read, Your Honor. The railways, after having utilized the property of the petitioners for execution of its special railway project, cannot take plea relegating the petitioners to the civil court, where they may be subjected to protracted litigation, whereas their counterpart whose lands were also acquired by the railways for the same project have already been paid compensation. Since the petitioners' land have been found to be utilized in connection with the special railway project, namely Bairabi-Sayarang new BG railway line project, and since it has also come to light that they have not been paid any compensation to which they are entitled, Respondent 1, 4 and 5 are hereby directed to initiate the process of formal acquisition of land of the petitioners covered under House Pass number so located at Saira, and thereafter pay due compensation to the petitioners for acquisition of the land in terms of provisions contained in the Railways Act 1989.
Yes, madam, you are filing any response?
Lordship, we need some time to file SOCO's reply.
When? Order is
Lordship, 4 weeks time may be granted.
Your Worship, regarding respondent number 1, steps were taken on 20th of June by the petitioner. Your Worship, if a service report may be given by the registry after tracking the consignment.
Lord Counsel, appearing for the respondent number 5 has prayed for an accommodation to file the response to the contempt petition. Full stop. List again on 8th of September.
Yes.
On the 8th of September 2026, allowing the respondent number 5 to file the response. Full stop. In the meantime, the registry shall trace the consignment report on the respondent number 1 and 4.
For Your Worship, my learned friend is appearing.
Oh, you are repaying on the respondent number 1,
2 and 3 are
Stop.
served.
Although respondent number 2 and 3 had been served, comma, none appears for the said respondents. Full stop. The respondent number 2 and 3 may enter appearance on or on the next date fixed. Full stop.
Respondent 4.
Lordship, Respondent 4, on behalf of my senior Miss Mariel Kionte.
You will file your response.
Your Lordship, we will be filing our SOCO's reply.
Respondent number 4 may also, in the meantime, file the response.
Your Lordship.
Item number 3.
Only from 4.
Your Worship, again, respondent number 4 is served. 1, 2 and 3.
You are paying for
Yes,
respondent
Lordship, my senior Mr. Bill Ramenga has the instructions to represent respondent number 4,
number?
who is the director of the refunds.
But you have not filed your wakalatnama.
Yes, Lordship, we will be filed our power within a week.
After?
Maybe within a week.
Within a week. Mr. Swensel and counsel paying for the respondent number 4 has submitted that the wakalatnama would be filed within Friday.
And,
Full stop.
my Lord, if I may seek for 3 weeks to file so-called affidavit.
First you file your wakalatnama.
Yes, Lordship.
Huh?
Okay.
The office note dated 7/8/2026 reflects that the AD card from the rest of the respondents, that is respondent number 1, 2, and 3, are yet awaited, full stop. Registry would trace the consignment report and place the same before this court on the next date. The respondent number 4 would be at liberty to file their response by the next date.
Item number 4.
Lordship. Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Ms. Lal Nun Hui, since she sounds like maybe this matter be passed over for the time being.
You want to withdraw the compensation amount
my lord.
deposited?
Yes, my lord.
Then why the RFA? Or you have filed the RFA, the government has filed the RFA. No. Okay, let her come.
Right, Your Lordship.
Item 5.
I think 4 and 5 are the same. 4 and 5 are the same.
My lord, item 4 to 8, similar case. Item number 4 to 8.
4 to 8.
8, similar case.
Ah, she's here, yes.
This year, ma'am.
My apologies, Your Lordship. I was in the other court.
No, that's okay. It's okay.
Okay, may I please your lordship?
Ah,
My lord. And my lord, this application is filed by the applicants under section 151 of the CPC 1908 for releasing half of the compensation amount of rupees 8,32,818. The half of the amount is rupees 4,16,409. In connected with RFA number 47/2025, arising out of execution petition number 1/2025 in LA case number 15/2015, which was already deposited into the executing court, that is the fast track court cum additional district and sessions judge scholarship, by the state respondent in connection with the Honorable High Court order on 28/10/2025. My lord, the brief facts of the case is that a notification was issued by the state respondent on 14/03/2012 under section 4.1 LA Act 1894, Serkan to Bagarot.
page. Thirty-five. This is the execution petition.
Yes, my lord. Page number 17.
Where does it end?
Page number 17.
Page 33. Sure. Compensation. So.
IN number 32, page number 17. This is the judgment and award passed by the fast track court on 17/12/2024. And whereby the fast track court awarded the Solasium, the corpse value, buildings value, and interest, and multiplier too.
Yes, madam, what is your objection in their withdrawing the money?
Yes, Your Lordship. We have filed our written objection. Your Lordship, if I may refer to the PAN number B of the page number 65 of IA number 32 of 2026, Your Lordship.
Page number 65.
65 of IA number 32, that is from in RFA 47 of 2025, Your Lordship.
Page number 65. Where is that objection? In this I? Where is the objection in this I? In I number 47.
Your Lordship, yes, no, Your Lordship, IA 32 2026 in
32.
RFA 47 of 2025.
RFA 47 and I 32.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is it? Find the I. This is RFA 48.
Your Lordship, I can refer to the IA 48 also.
No, madam. What we are trying to do is, since they are not taking it up with the appropriate files, at least
Yes,
now we
Lordship.
can have it tagged up.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Otherwise, this confusion will keep on going.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You find out when you put it here. 48, let us take 48, IA 33.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What do you say?
So, Your Lordship, in this, in page number 73, that and in the preliminary submission, in the second paragraph, Your Lordship, if I may be allowed to read. The foundational and decisive question in the present application is the legal character of the amount deposited by the state with the executing court pursuant to the order of the honorable of this honorable court dated 28/10/2025. The applicant proceeds on the assumption that this deposit constitutes or is equivalent to payment to them, and that they are entitled to withdraw it as a right. The assumption is contrary to settled law. The Honorable Supreme Court in the authoritative settled this question in PSL Ramanath Chettiar versus ORM PRM, in which, Your Lordship, in pen number 13, we have the copy of the SEC order also, Your Lordship, if I may be allowed to produce it in front of the court. Your Lordship, in this pen number 13, it says, the real effect of deposit of money in courts, as was done in this case, is to put the money beyond the reach of parties pending the disposal of the appeal. The decree holder could only take it out on furnishing security, which means that the payment was not in satisfaction of the decree, and the security could be proceeded against by the judgment debtor in case of his success in the appeal. Pending the determination of the same, it was beyond the reach of the judgment debtor. Now, Your Lordship, this principle has also been the principle in Ramanathan Chettiar admits of no ambiguity, and there are three propositions which flow directly therefrom, each fatal to the applicant's case. One is that, Your Lordship, a conditional stay deposit does not pass title to the decree holder. The applicant have no vested proprietary right in the deposited sum. Second is that the deposited money is custodial legis in the custody of the law and is beyond the reach of both parties pending disposal of the appeal. Third is, Your Lordship, the deposit is non-payment in terms of Order 21, Rule 1 CPC. It does not satisfy or extinguish the decree. It is merely a security, nothing more, nothing less. So, Your Lordship, and we have also, in pan number D, we have also relied on another judgment by the Supreme Court, Your Lordship, which is Delhi Development Authority versus Bhai Sardar, that is 2023, 17 SCC 671. In this case, Your Lordship, the decree holder had filed an application to permit withdrawal of an amount deposited by the judgment debtor pursuant to an appellant's court order. The division bench of the Honorable Court refused to permit withdrawal and held that the deposit was not payment under Order 21, Rule 1 of CPC, reiterating the Ramanathan Chettiar principle that the deposited sum was beyond the reach of both parties pending disposal of the appeal. And, Your Lordship, the applicant's central argument is that the stay order 28/10/2025, which was also continued in 27/1/2026 in the IA 192 of 2025.
Where is that order?
27/1/2026, Your Lordship. That is,
Initial order?
Your Lordship, there has been a typo in my written objection. We were supposed to write 27/1/2026. However, we mistakenly wrote it as 21/1/2026, Your Lordship. And we have rechecked it. So this is arising out of the IA 192 of 2025, Your Lordship. So it states here that the judgment order dated it stayed only the judgment order dated 11/9/2025, that is the execution of attachment and sale, and that it does not stay disbursement. That is the submission of the applicant, Your Lordship. They're stating that the judgment order dated 11/9/2025 is stayed, and that is the execution of attachment and sale, and that it does not stay disbursement of the deposited money. This interpretation, will superficially prepossessing, is erroneous, and if accepted, would reduce the Honorable Court order to an absurdity, Your Lordship. And, Your Lordship, this is, again, I would like to also read out from the submissions in my written objection, that is pen number F, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, the execution order dated 11/9/2025 was passed for the purpose of enforcing and satisfying the money decree passed in LA case number 16 of 2025 on 17/12/2024. The attachment and sale of properties directed in execution were merely procedural mechanisms intended to realize the decretal amount in favor of the applicants. Accordingly, Your Lordship, the permitting release or disbursement of the amount presently lying deposited.
What is your appeal? The appeal. What are your grounds on the appeal?
Your Lordship, if I may submit in this at this stage, Your Lordship, the RFA, Your Lordship, has been submitted by a separate council, and if Your Lordship may kindly recall, there was a submission made by the council who filed the RFA that he has not been appointed for filing of the written objection for the IA. Yes, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, I'm only appearing for the IA. And the council concerned, Your Lordship, she's on legs in the other courtroom at this, who has filed the RFA is on legs in the other courtroom, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. My humble submission is that when we have meticulous study, when we look at the order 2810-2025.
Where is that? 2810-2025 in what?
Page number IA 33 in RFA 48, page number 55. 55, para number 11, my lord. IA 33, page number 55, para 11. May I read it on, my lord? Under the given factual and legal metrics, and also balancing the equities, this court is inclined to grant stay to the attachment order dated 11/9/2025. Though there is a prayer for staying the judgment and order dated 11/9/2025 passed by the learned executing court, the same is stayed till returnable date, subject, however, to depositing of half of the compensation amount of rupees so before the learned executing court within a period of 2 weeks from today. My lord, when we look at this 11/9/2025 attachment order, may I please take you to page number page number 46, my lord. Page number 46.
Just 1 minute.
Yeah, it stay only the attachment portion, my lord. It does not state the release of that 50%. When we look at carefully the order, my lord, it only stay the attachment order, attaching of the immovable properties, office building, bolero, JCB trucks, and so on, my lord. It does not stay the release of that 50%. And suppose, presuming that if it stay that releasing of 50%, the Supreme Court has made here some judgment, and I would also like to cite it, my lord.
This 2810-2025 order is the order which has stayed the
11/9/2025 order.
process, yes?
Yes, my lord, page 46.
11?
11/09/2025.
That has been stayed.
Yes, my lord, that attachment order was stayed. Only the attachment order. Because we cannot proceed that sale. We cannot proceed sale of that office building and motor vehicles. And all that motor vehicles and office were already released now, my lord. It has been in running condition again.
What is the order passed in the RFA? Where is the RFA? Just 1 minute. Understand it. Yes, madam, this your liability to pay.
Yes, Your Lordship.
See, we are having two situations. One, where a RFA is admitted or you are challenging the decree or something, and you say that we are making a part payment because this is a surety, that in case we lose, we'll definitely pay. That is one aspect of things. This RFA, it appears to this court, is filed only against the attachment order. Yes, 11.9. Do you have this RFA 48? If you go to RFA 48, the prayer clause you kindly see, they want the judgment dated, judgment and order of 11.9.2025 and the order of attachment dated 11.9.2025 shall not be set aside. Now, what is 11.9.2025? 11.9.2025 are orders passed in execution proceedings. Yes?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So, the actual entitlement of these persons to the compensation is
Yes,
not
Your
under challenge. It is in the manner in which it has been attached or in the manner which it has been sought to be executed.
Yes.
That is under challenge, correct? Now, when you are not challenging the very entitlement of the respondents or the applicants in the IA, would your this judgment come to any assistance? The judgment that you have placed or the written objection that you have placed,
Yes, Your Lordship.
it says that when you are depositing some money in the court, it's a security that if you lose, you'll pay.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Therefore, it is not in, you are not satisfying the decree as such, but to keep the appeal alive so that you intend to pay if you lose,
Yes, Your Lordship.
you are making a deposit. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
In this particular case, the entitlement is not under challenge. You have only challenged the manner in which the property has been attached, the executive engineer's office. That
Yes,
is
Your
what is under challenge. So their entitlement to get the money
Yes, Your Lordship.
because of whatever reasons is not under challenge anywhere. And if the entitlement is not being challenged and if you are paying up the money, the attachment order may be right or wrong, but their entitlement remains. So we are not seeing how this judgment will come to your aid. We'll take this up on Thursday,
Yes, Your Lordship.
since the person who has filed the RFA is not here, the counsel.
Yes, Your Lordship. I think, Your Lordship, it will be best if they can clarify that.
If their entitlement is not under challenge,
Yes, Your Lordship.
no use keeping the money with you. The manner in which the attachment was done, whether it is wrong or right, we'll see. Someone is paying. Someone had to pay.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What we have gone through in this RFA is the state should have paid, the deputy commissioner should have paid, the district commissioner should have paid, the person who took it's an acquisition of land, is it not?
Yes, my lord.
So the person who has acquired the land should pay. But you have attached the executive engineer's office. That may be wrong.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Someone has to pay. Now, who has deposited this money?
This, Your Lordship, that has been deposited.
Who has deposited the money?
The state responded, my lord.
State again, you are going round and round. We are trying to specify. Who has deposited the money?
The PWD department, my lord.
PWD. Then, if the PWD is not required to pay you, then you may not be entitled. Yes, someone comes and says that, sir, I am not the person to pay. But so that there is some authenticity in the matter, I am making a deposit, but I am not the person to pay. Unless we decide who is the person to pay, can I release the money to you? He owes you money. Her property is attached. She is coming and saying, sir, I am not the person. I am saying, no, you first deposit. I'll see thereafter. Can I make her pay you? Can I release her money to you? I cannot. Both of you have your facts cleared.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And ask the council for the appearing for the state of Mizoram also to have.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You also look through. If the money is required to be paid by someone else, the state has an appeal saying that I am not the person to, the particular department is before us saying that we are not the department to pay. Can the money be released to you? Yes? On Thursday?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Thursday, be prepared, we'll go this way or that way. We'll try to finish it.
Yes.
Any more? Let's take it on Thursday at the request of the council for the parties.
Item number 9.
Yes?
My lord, this is a bail application filed under section 483 of BNSS and read with section 37 NDPS, my lord. And my lord, this is the first date, if notice may kindly be issued to the state, my lord.
How many days behind bars?
Till today, my lord, he has been in custody for 434 days, my lord.
434
days, my lord.
days.
And 2 co-accused has already been released by this honorable court, my lord, on the same ground.
What ground?
In violation of section 47 and 48, my lord.
You are carrying around drugs in your pockets and you say 47 and 48. I don't know why I'm arrested. Huh?
And the orders also have annexed along with my bail application, my lord.
Where is that order?
It's in page 37, my lord.
7.
Page 37, my lord.
Where is your notice? Where is the notice issued to you? Huh?
My lord, notice ground of arrest is there, but to the accused, but not to the relative of the accused, my lord. That's my main ground, my lord. Basically, that's my main ground, my lord.
In your petition, have you said whom did you nominate?
No, my lord.
Huh? No.
No, my lord.
Then, if you don't name anybody, whom should they say? How can they find out who is your friend, who is your relative, who is your cousin? Within
lord,
24 hours, can they find out?
Page number 21 of my bail application, my lord, in the translated version, true type copy of the seizure and arrest memo, my lord. It's written in the second paragraph, my lord, saying that intimation of seizure and arrest were given to their families by phone call. That is accused number 2, 3, and 4. Accused number 1 was given to his wife on the spot. That's all, my lord. Apart from that, no grounds of arrest were intimated to the wife or the relatives of the accused, my lord.
You are not accused number 1.
I'm accused number 1, my lord.
You are accused number 1.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. Svensson and the counsel appearing for the petitioner. Learned PP is present for the respondent number 1 and 2. Call for the case diary, list again on.
Next week, my lord. My lord,
Is it
since
still costing?
it's already charge sheeted, my lord. We'll have to call for the
trial,
TCR.
call for a scan copy of the trial court records along with the copy of the CD. Stop. List again on when?
18th of August.
All right.
Applies, my lord.
18th August.
Applies, my lord.
Anyone for hearing matter?
Hearing? No. How many hearing are there this time? One and 2 have been for a week, na? Tomorrow is 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th. Yes, dinner is again in item 16. I don't think that will come up. Okay. Thank you.